Nissan is rolling out 5 major updates to the 2026 Pathfinder that completely transform this 3-row family crossover. If you've been waiting for Nissan to address the Pathfinder's aging design and outdated powertrain, these changes directly solve those problems. While most mid-size crossovers make small tweaks each year, Nissan is changing everything from the styling to the engine lineup, giving families real reasons to choose the Pathfinder over the Highlander or Pilot. Number 5. New look. Styling revisions are heading to the Pathfinder lineup, and the 2026 model year is introducing a comprehensive facelift that touches multiple areas of the vehicle. What Nissan is doing here goes beyond simple trim adjustments. This is a purposeful redesign aimed at keeping the Pathfinder competitive in an increasingly crowded segment. The front fascia is receiving the most dramatic transformation. Nissan's designers are implementing a bolder grille treatment that projects more presence on the road. The headlight assemblies are being reworked as well, with new LED signature lighting elements that give the Pathfinder a more contemporary appearance. These aren't minor tweaks. The entire front end is getting reconfigured to align with Nissan's evolving design language. Moving to the rear, Nissan is redesigning the taillight clusters to create better visual symmetry with the updated front end. The bumper is also being modified, featuring revised sculpting that adds depth to the overall design. New wheel designs are part of the package too, ranging across different trim levels to give buyers more aesthetic variety. What these changes accomplish is a fresher, more modern look that helps the Pathfinder stand out in parking lots filled with similar 3-row crossovers. Color options are expanding as well, with Nissan adding new exterior finishes to the palette. The goal here is straightforward: make the 2026 Pathfinder look like a genuinely new product, rather than just another model year rollover. So the exterior's getting a fresh face, but that updated styling means nothing if what's under the hood can't deliver the performance and efficiency families need. Number 4. More efficient powertrain. Under the hood, Nissan is making a fundamental shift in powertrain strategy. The naturally aspirated V6 engine that has powered the Pathfinder for years is being retired, and what's replacing it represents a completely different approach to 3-row crossover performance. The new base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder unit, and this downsizing move isn't about reducing capability, it's about optimizing it. This Turbo 4 is engineered to deliver torque characteristics that match real-world driving needs more effectively than the outgoing V6. Peak torque arrives lower in the rev range, which translates to better acceleration response in everyday situations like merging onto highways or passing slower traffic. The engine provides strong pull right from lower RPMs, giving you confident power exactly when you need it most, without having to wait for the engine to rev up. Fuel efficiency gains are substantial. The Turbo 4 is projected to achieve significantly better EPA ratings compared to the V6 it's replacing. We're looking at improvements of several miles per gallon in both city and highway cycles. For families putting 15,000 miles annually on their Pathfinder, the efficiency difference could mean hundreds of dollars saved at the pump each year. That new powertrain delivers impressive efficiency numbers, but you'll be spending most of your time inside the cabin, which is why the interior changes might matter even more to your daily experience. Number 3. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Pathfinder and the cabin improvements become immediately apparent. Nissan is elevating interior quality across the board, addressing one area where the current model has faced criticism from reviewers and owners alike. Material quality is getting a significant boost. Soft touch surfaces are expanding to more areas of the dashboard and door panels, replacing harder plastics that gave the current cabin a more budget-oriented feel. Upper trim levels are receiving upgraded upholstery options, including higher-grade leather treatments with improved stitching patterns. The contrast stitching details add visual interest while reinforcing the premium positioning Nissan wants to establish. Nissan is introducing two-tone combinations that create a more upscale ambiance. These aren't garish contrasts, they're tasteful pairings that elevate the perceived value of the cabin without crossing into flashy territory. The goal is to make the Pathfinder's interior feel more upscale compared to the mainstream competition. Anyone who's taken a long family road trip knows how important comfortable seating becomes after the first few hours. That's why Nissan is adding extra padding and improved contouring to the second-row captain's chairs, making those extended drives far less tiring for passengers who spend hours back there. Third-row access is being improved through modifications to the second-row tilt and slide mechanism, making it easier for passengers to climb back there. Storage solutions are being rethought too, with additional cubby spaces and USB charging ports distributed throughout all 3 rows. What these interior updates accomplish is transforming the Pathfinder cabin from merely adequate to genuinely competitive. The improved materials and comfort are impressive, but they're paired with technology updates that bring the Pathfinder into the modern era. Number 2. New tech. Technology updates are arriving throughout the 2026 Pathfinder lineup, and these changes represent meaningful improvements rather than superficial additions. The instrument cluster is going fully digital on upper trim levels. Analog gauges are disappearing, replaced by a customizable digital display that can show multiple configurations of information. Drivers can toggle between different screen layouts depending on what data they want prioritized. Navigation maps, fuel economy readouts, safety system status, or traditional speedometer and tachometer displays. The resolution is crisp, and the interface responds quickly to input commands. The infotainment system is receiving a complete overhaul. Nissan is installing a larger touchscreen across the range, with the new display measuring several inches bigger than the outgoing unit. More important than size, however, is what's running behind that screen. Nissan is implementing a Google-based operating system that fundamentally changes how owners interact with their vehicle's tech. The user interface is faster and more intuitive. Menu structures make logical sense, and the system responds to touch inputs without frustrating lag. Over-the-air update capability means the system can receive improvements and new features without requiring dealership visits. For tech-savvy families, these updates transform the Pathfinder from behind the curve to competitive with class leaders. Those tech upgrades modernize the driving experience significantly. But the most controversial change Nissan is making sits under the hood, and it's sparking heated debates among Pathfinder fans. Number 1. It's electrification time. The biggest transformation coming to the 2026 Pathfinder is electrification. Nissan is finally introducing a hybrid powertrain to its mid-size 3-row crossover, marking a significant shift in the model's powertrain philosophy. The hybrid system pairs a 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to create a combined output that matches the V6's power figures, while delivering substantially better fuel economy. This isn't a mild hybrid setup with minimal electric assistance. This is a full hybrid system, capable of electric-only propulsion at low speeds and during light acceleration. The battery pack is sized to provide meaningful electric-only range in city driving conditions, which is where hybrids deliver their most impressive efficiency gains. EPA estimates for the hybrid variant are projected to show double-digit improvements over the standard Turbo 4 model in city driving cycles. Highway efficiency gains are more modest, as expected with hybrid technology, but the combined MPG figures position the Pathfinder Hybrid as one of the most efficient 3-row crossovers in its class. For families with significant city driving in their daily routine, the fuel savings add up quickly. Performance isn't sacrificed for efficiency. The hybrid powertrain delivers strong low-end torque thanks to the instant electric motor assistance, making the Pathfinder feel responsive from a standstill. Passing power at highway speeds remains adequate, and the transition between electric and gas power is smooth enough that most drivers won't notice the powertrain switching modes. All-wheel drive is standard on hybrid models, ensuring families don't have to choose between efficiency and all-weather capability. Nissan is betting that electrification represents the future for 3-row family haulers, and the Pathfinder Hybrid is their answer to that market shift. Whether buyers embrace this direction or stick with conventional powertrains will determine if this gamble pays off. What's certain is that Nissan is giving families options, and in a segment where efficiency increasingly matters to purchasing decisions, the hybrid Pathfinder could attract buyers who previously looked elsewhere. The 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is bringing updates that address the model's most pressing weaknesses, from refreshed styling that modernizes its appearance, to a more efficient turbocharged engine that saves money at the pump, to an upgraded interior with better materials and comfort, to Google-based technology that actually works intuitively, and finally, to a full hybrid powertrain that positions Nissan competitively in the electrified crossover market. Whether these changes are enough to pull buyers away from the Highlander and Pilot remains the key question, but Nissan is clearly making a serious effort to keep the Pathfinder relevant in an increasingly competitive segment. Speaking of the competition, it's hard to neglect the one that's coming from Korea, which is why you must check out our video about the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride. If you prefer something different than a traditional Japanese design approach, something with a bit more luxurious touch, then this might be an ideal choice for you. The new generation of Telluride brings a better look, a more luxurious cabin, and it's an even better value than the original.